guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing a day in my life, so let's get started. Okay, now I have makeup on and I need to get changed and get going because I have to run some errands this morning. So let's go to it. Let's go. I'm running late. Hey there, I'm back from the appointment that I had this morning, and now I have to go to the supermarket and get some food because I literally have nothing in the fridge, like milk and meatballs, and I think that's it. An onion, yeah, I have an onion as well. I need to get some stuff for the week. It's not gonna be a lot because my best friend is coming over for a long weekend, that we have a long weekend here. So I'm not gonna buy things for that. I'm just gonna buy things for like for 4 days, and I'll show you my trip and what I get, and also what I'm gonna be kind of cooking, like some kind of like a meal plan with you guys, so you can see what I normally do when I go grocery shopping. So let's go to the supermarket. There again, I just came back from the supermarket. I didn't film really much, but it was pretty busy and I couldn't really get on my hands on recording plus getting the food. So I'm gonna show you right now a clip of the things that I got. Okay, so here's what I got. I got some zucchini to make zucchini soup, sweet potatoes to make sweet potatoes fries in the oven, some yogurt, some banana, some ham. The way I use it with these peas and it's really good. Some onion, some mandarin, some ham, some bread, some eggs, and some chicken. And I just kind of mix and match. This is like with the ham, and it's all done with the two potatoes and probably the zucchini soup as well, and the rest is more for like breakfast and stuff. I need to get smoked salmon and some sauce because I'll also make like a pasta dish as well. So that is what I got from the supermarket. And now I'm just gonna go change because I have a yoga class to go to. I always go to this class on Mondays and I really like it. So I'm gonna take you guys along and you can see what I do in the class. Okay, so I already changed. I'm wearing these leggings that they're really comfortable. I'm just wearing random shoes because I don't really need the shoes. They're super broken actually. And my yoga mat, because the ones I have there, they're a bit small. And I always like getting my hands or feet out of the mat, so it's kind of annoying. So I'm back home, and right now I'm just gonna cook some lunch. I'm gonna make meatballs with tomato sauce and some whole grain rice. This is a whole grain rice that I bought not that long ago, and I'm loving it. The way I cook the rice is I add some garlic cloves, a bit of olive oil, and I also like adding cumin. So I add a bit inside, and it gives kind of different flavor. The garlic cloves, once the rice is fully cooked, I take them out because I don't like to eat them. I just like that they give them the rice a bit of flavor. I just added some water. I'm gonna let it cook, and I'm just waiting on this guy to start boiling. So I get them inside, I let them boil, and once they're cooked, because they float, like they go up, I take them out, I put them in a pan with the tomato sauce. And this is the final result, plus mandarin. Okay, I am back, and I have my studying classes on. What I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be reading some articles that I have to do for my master's thesis. I happened to reach out a guy that he's working in the brain and cognition department, and he was studying with music and trying to see the effects if it could possibly increase and benefit the memory process, the encoding part of memory. So for that, they're using patients that have mild cognitive impairment, and that's where I come and join the experiment, because I'm going to be testing as well these patients and see how they perform. And yeah, so he also gave me some articles to read, and I'm going to start reading some of them because there are a lot, and I'm not really in a rush, but since I have a day off, it's a good time to organize myself to do stuff that I might not be so free to do during the week. So yeah, I'm gonna dive into it right now. Quite some of them goes the impact of background music on our listeners, less effort, better results, how does music act on prefrontal cortex. I finished reading 3 papers, and now I'm gonna jump into editing this video that is gonna go live on Thursday. I just made this sweet potato fries that I'm gonna put in the oven. Okay guys, I'm gonna take a shower right now. I have the sweet potatoes in the oven. I'll have dinner, watch a series, and call it a day. Okay guys, so I just had dinner, and I'm gonna watch a series on my computer, and I'm gonna have an early night because tomorrow I have to go to the hospital because I have to be with patients as part of my practical work for my master's. So please don't forget to subscribe here down below, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next one. Bye!